Okay, in the following video, I would like to show how these values in the y-axis can be changed. The first thing is you have to click on this chart and to choose this axis and to double click on this one, and then a new menu pops up. What you can see here is directly that you have quite some options. The axis options are already chosen, and here you have the possibilities to, for example, get a different background color of the filling and the line, to have some effects like shadowing or glowing. You can position this part of this diagram in here, but we are mostly interested in our axis options. So what are these? You first see the minimum and the maximum. This relate to this $0 starting here and going up to the maximum value of 160,000. You have the units. Major units are currently these lines. I would like to have not so many lines. I'm happy with every second line, so I say major units should be 40,000. The minor units are not shown, so I don't take care. Then I would like to have a different value for the number, a different number format. First, I would like to have a euro instead of a dollar. And then I would like to have different way of format in here. So I would like to have it as follows, which means two numbers behind the dot, and at least one zero is displayed in front of the dot, so no zero like this one. And if I do it and add it, you can see what's happening. So first, it's only every 40,000th value is shown, and then we have the euro and we have the format of the values as I have wanted it. We can play some tricks which are in statistics used sometimes. For example, you see there is no data point between 0 and 40,000. So what I can say is I start my diagram in here, and directly the diagram changes, and the differences between these lines look much more drastic now, because you can see the green line just is at the bottom and the others seem to be twice or three times as high. And this is in a statistic a little bit cheating, because you change the x-axis, you do not start by zero. By that you focus on certain issues and you emphasize the differences rather than maybe those things which are more equal. Again, if you would like to change and manipulate this x-axis or the y-axis, you simply double click on the respective part, and then a new option menu pops up and you can choose lots of different values in here.